Okay, I just wanted to do a quick vid on how to remove this snorkel on my 2007 BMW R1200 RTP. It's pretty easy. You depress these and then slide this out and then pull this off. It will be kind of wedged in there, kind of strong, so you almost need to get in here and then kind of work it out gently, but that will pull the whole thing off. And check out that old air filter. It's time to change that. This is the air filter I got from Beemer Boneyard. This is what I'm going to swap in place of that, which I hope just pulls out. Wow. I think that's probably, that's not as bad as I guess I thought it would be, but that's pretty dirty.
Wanted to take a quick look inside there. Overall, looks pretty clean. I don't think I'm going to mess too much with that.
Just throw the new one in, which is right here. It's exactly the same as the one that I removed. Well, almost. This is a little different there. No, just a little different. I doubt that makes much difference. But there you go, and you can see the difference in how clean they are. Okay, looks like you just kind of gotta wedge this sucker in there. A couple hoses and stuff down at the bottom that you kind of have to get past and in there, but I think that's it. And there you go. Beautiful. Set.